Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can view all of those devices where you have been currently logged in. So in order to view all of those devices, simply click on the three vertical dots present at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you have clicked here, you need to click on this settings gear option present at the top corner. Then, once you are in the settings and privacy page, simply click on this Meta Account Center. Then it will lead you to the Meta Account Center. Now here you can see this password and security tab inside the account settings. Simply click on this option and it will give you an option under the security checks which states where you are logged in. Simply click on this button and it will show you all of those devices or accounts which are available. So choose that account that you want to see. Then it will give you all of those devices on which this account is currently logged in. So in my case, I have currently logged in on this account only on my OnePlus device. So if any other devices are using this account, they all will be listed right here. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.